welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of cosmetic brands. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you find this information useful. Today, a very useful information about the Clean Glow series, the bronzer from CoverGirl in the color 120 Spices. It's really a great product. The reason they say it's 3-in-1 because it has 3 different colors, which you could use either separately because they're wide enough for the brush, and also you could of course blend them and just achieve that perfect color for your cheeks that you would love. You could mix these two or just this two, you know, you could really experiment. And yes, it is a bronzer, but it has really lightweight formula, which is very good. It blends really well, and then the colors are matte. So I believe that some of these colors would be perfect to use as the eyeshadow as well. And let's see just what the company says on the back. So it says that it's really give you that fresh look. You could use it alone or of course over CoverGirl other makeup, but I mean any makeup really. And this formula is supposed to be really good for achieving that perfect color. We could also see the ingredients. The talc is on the first place, and a bunch of other ingredients which is just impossible to pronounce. Also, it is made in USA, which is I think good to know. And this is it. You can open it up and see, you know, all the colors a little closer and close it up. So this is it. That's the product. Thank you for watching. I wish you all the best. Put a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.